Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are doing CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, managing different campaigns, testing landing pages, or working with multiple advertising platforms, staying organized is important. In today's video, I'll show you how the GeeLark platform can help streamline your workflow by providing a virtual mobile environment, checking campaign performance, and managing your marketing activities more efficiently. Guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on GeeLark platform, link in the description. Guys, you can use this platform to create multiple cloud phones. You can use it for your social media marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and many more. This is a best platform. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your email address and then you can click on get verification code button. You can receive verification code on your email address. You can type your verification code. Now you can type your password and then you can click on sign up button. You can also sign up with Google. In next step, what you will have to do is you can click on download button. You can click here to download GeeLark app for full experience. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see easy to understand dashboard. You can click on new profile button. Now you can type your profile name. This is optional. You can type here anything. Guys, you can select your operating system. This operating system is under development. You can select your browser profile. Like you can create cloud phone profile or browser profile. If you want to create multiple profiles, then you can select bulk option. You can select this option to create quick profile. You can see here overview. Now you can select here proxy type. Like you can select SOX 5, HTTPS, HTTP, node maven. You can select here proxy type. You can type your IP address and port and then you can click on check proxy button. Guys, if you do not have proxy, then you can go on proxy scrap platform. Here you can see there are a lot of proxies. You can use any of this proxy. First of all, you will have to check working proxy. You can copy this IP address. Now you can paste your IP address. You can paste your port. You can go on proxy scrap platform. Here is showing port. You can copy this port. Now you can paste here. You can click on check proxy button. Guys, here you can see this IP address is working. You can scroll down. If you want, you can type your username, password. You can select your Android version. Like you can select Android 15, Android 13, Android 12, Android 16. You can select your Android version. You can click here for advanced settings. You can scroll down. You can select your network. You can select your phone number, auto-generated. You can select your location. At last, you can click on create button. Yeah, here we go. You can see I have successfully created one profile. Guys, similarly, you can create your multiple profiles. You can simply click on new profile button. You can type your profile name. You can paste your IP address. You can select your Android version. Now you can click on create button. You can create your multiple profiles. Now you can click on start button to run this cloud phone. You can run all of this cloud phone. Guys, you need to wait some time. Yeah, here we go. You can see cloud phones. You can use this cloud phone for your CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, or you can use it to manage your campaigns. If you want to download apps in this cloud phone, then you can click on apps button. Here you can see there are a lot of applications. You can also search your application. Here you can see TikTok application. You can simply click here to install this TikTok application. You can install TikTok application in your cloud phone. Here you can see TikTok application. You can see here Chrome. You can see files, gallery. You can see here everything in cloud phone. You can use cloud phone for social media marketing. You can search your anything, like you can search your Instagram. You can see everything is working well. You can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can manage your social media accounts. Guys, you can use this cloud phone for your CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing. You can see everything is working well. Guys, you can also create your more cloud phones. You can run your more cloud phones. You can see everything is looking perfect. You can use multiple cloud phones in your single computer. If you want to run all these cloud phones, then you can select all this cloud phone. Now you can click on a start button to run this cloud phone. If you want to delete this cloud phone, then you can select any of this cloud phone and then you can click on this delete button. Guys, you can also edit this cloud phone. You can simply click here. You can click here to edit this profile. You can click here to change proxy. Or if you want to clone this profile, then you can click on clone button. So guys, it's very simple to use cloud phones on Zlark platform. Let me show you its subscription plan. Here you can see free, base, pro and custom. If you will select pro subscription plan, then you can get all of these features. If you will select base subscription plan, then you can get all of these features. Here you can see more details about this subscription plan. You can see all of this plan. So guys, if you are doing CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, then you can check Zlark platform. Link in the description. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.